In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize project views in Goodday. We'll walk through a simple, practical flow that you can follow directly in your own workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to start shaping your project views so they match the way you and your team like to work. First, make sure you're logged in to your Goodday account and that you're on the main workspace or projects area. From here, the very first thing you need to do is select a project. This means looking for the list or grid where all your projects are displayed. Take a moment to scan through the names and find the specific project you want to work with. Choosing the right project is important because the view customizations you're about to make will apply to that project only, not to every project in your workspace. Once you've located the project you want, go ahead and click on that project. This will open up the project's main page, where you can see things like tasks, timelines, and other details, depending on how your account is set up. Give the page a second to fully load so that all the options at the top and sides become visible. You should now be inside the project itself, rather than looking at the overall list of projects. Now that you're in the project, you're ready to start customizing the view. Look toward the top of the project interface, usually near the existing view tabs or view options. Here, you should see a small plus sign icon. This plus sign is what you'll use to add or configure a new project view. Go ahead and click on the plus sign. When you do this, Goodday will open up a menu or dialog that lets you choose what kind of view you want to add and gives you options to tailor it to your needs. Depending on your setup, you might see options like list views, board views, or other layouts. This is where you can start experimenting with which layout helps you see your tasks and progress most clearly. From here, you can continue adjusting settings, filters, and layout options within that new view to match your workflow. Remember, you can always come back to this plus sign to create additional views as your project evolves, so don't be afraid to try different configurations until you find the one that feels right for you and your team.